Hello everyone, welcome to this new Bryan Toolbox segment on new ways to search using Perplexity AI. This is a game-changing search tool that can elevate your aviation knowledge and get you the answers you need without all the garbage, sponsor-filled websites you get on traditional search engines. Let's get into it. Perplexity AI is like your first officer for online searches, using advanced natural language processing to understand and respond to complex queries. So what exactly is Perplexity AI? It's an AI-powered search tool that cuts through the turbulence of traditional search engines. By leveraging natural language processing, it understands your questions and delivers precise, relevant answers fast. Think of it as an autopilot for your information searches. Getting started with Perplexity is a breeze. Just open your web browser, navigate to Perplexity AI, and create a free account. Once you're in, take some time to familiarize yourself with the interface and its features. To search effectively with Perplexity, be specific in your queries. Use natural language like you're having a conversation, and leverage the provided links for deeper research. By integrating this tool into your daily routine, you can get accurate answers quickly, enhancing your productivity and your knowledge. So give it a go. We are living through a transformation era where AI, whether you like it or not, is going to play a major role in your life. I'm on the side of, if it's here, let me see what I can do to maximize its leverage and see if I can get any personal gain out of it.
Okay, well, let me show you what I mean. If I go across to Perplexity, it opens up like this. A nice, simple, very neat page. And I'm going to use the Pro version because I've got it. So you don't need to use the Pro version. Nothing wrong with using the free version. In fact, I've used the free version for ages. But let's ask it a question. Now, the type of answer you're going to get is going to be a straight answer. It's not going to be something that is driven by sponsorship, ads, or anything else. It's going to be a straight answer with some citations, something to base the answer on, which is critically important. So let's ask it a good old aviation question. I live in South Africa and want to perform an ATR 72-500 type rating. What do you recommend? Now, traditionally, what you would get is a whole whack of training organizations that have nothing to do with the ATR, but have asked for sponsorships from Google or any of the search engines for top priority when it comes to anything to do with an aviation search, which is great for them, bad for you. You get the wrong information. What you are after is the correct information. And there you go. There's your answer. Based on the information available, I can provide you with some recommendations for obtaining an ATR 72 type rating in South Africa. Number 1, SimAero Training Center in Johannesburg. SimAero offers an excellent option for your 72-500 type rating training. Their training center has a full flight simulator for the ATR 72-500 that is certified at EASA Level D, which is the highest level of certification available. This simulator is also certified by the South African Civil Aviation Authority, making it ideal for pilots seeking training in South Africa. Can you ask for a better answer than that? I do not think so. As you can see, there's some numbers here through the answer. Basically, here are your sources at the top, and you can go and click on any of those sources. There's source number 1, and of course, it's opening up the page that is now relevant to the question you asked. You're getting the answer that you actually want, which is very useful. What happens if we ask it a more complex question? Something like, what impact will AI have on the aviation industry over the coming 10 years? Obviously, this is a more in-depth question, and it's asking for opinion, but the opinion's got to come from somewhere, and it's going to come from the internet. That's what you're going to do if you go search for it anyway, except you're going to run through a whole whack of websites until you find the certain answer that you're looking for. But let's have a look at what this answer says, and you decide if you think it's relevant or not. from an aviation perspective. Over the next 10 years, AI is poised to have a transformative impact on the aviation industry across multiple areas. Enhance safety and efficiency, and there's a bit of a paragraph there, pilot recruitment and training, passenger expertise, autonomous aircraft development, sustainability initiatives, data security, cybersecurity, airport operations, business model innovation. And it goes on and on and on, of course, with the citations. It's a very useful tool. I use it a lot. In fact, I'd say I probably use this more than a ChatGPT, because a lot of the time I'm looking for a direct answer to a question. Of course, if you're looking for something on the creative side of things, if you're looking to be helped with a post for LinkedIn or an email response, then ChatGPT is the right way to go. But when you're looking for an answer to a direct question, Perplexity AI, I recommend you give it a go.